Children, happy morning. I am happy to you. I am happy to see you all. Now today I am not going to take any lessons for you. Apart from that, I am going to tell you one English story. Do you all love stories, isn't it? Yes. Now I am going to tell the story. Okay. Are you ready for the stories? Are you ready to listen the story? Yes. Now I am going to tell the characters of the stories. Okay, now the main character is rat, R-A-T, rat. The other characters are dog, D-O-G, dog, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, F-R-O-G-S, frogs. Now, I am going to show you the flashcard of first scene. Scene 1, the characters are rat and dog, R-A-T, rat, D-O-G, dog. Now, let us see the flashcard for first scene. Now, the dogs are playing cricket. Now, the dogs are playing cricket. Have you all viewed? The dogs are playing cricket, isn't it? Now, all dogs are playing cricket. Okay. Now, see the conversation between the rat and dog. Let us see the conversation. Now, the rat is going to find a new friend. Hello, dog. Hello, rat. How are you? I am fine. What about you? Yes, I am also fine. May I join you to play? No way. We already started the game cricket. Please go away from here. Now, the rat is feeling so sad. Hey, rat ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணுது. ஏன்னா டாக் அதை ரெஃப்யூஸ் பண்ணிடுச்சு. விளையாட்டுக்கு சேர்த்துக்க மாட்டேன்னு என்ன பண்ணிடுச்சு? ரெஃப்யூஸ் பண்ணிடுச்சு. So the rat is so sad. Now the rat is moving to other friend. Let us see the scene 2. Now the scene 2, title of the scene 2, rat, rabbit. Rat, R-A-T, rat, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Let us show the flashcard. Now the rabbit is fly kites. Now the rabbit is flies kite. எல்லாம் பார்த்தியா rabbit என்ன பண்ணுது? கைட்டை விட்டுட்டு இருக்கு, fly பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. Have you all seen? Yes. Now we are going to see the conversation between rat and rabbit. You all see here the rat and the rabbit going to talk. Now the rat is going to talk to the rabbit. Hello, rabbit. May I fly your kite? Your kite is looking so good. Now the rabbit is going to reply. No way. I am having only one kite. I don't want to share with you. Now once again the rat is refused by the rabbit. மறுபடியும் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? rabbit என்ன பண்ணிடுச்சு? rat விளையாட்டுக்கு சேர்த்துக்க மாட்டேன்னு சொல்லிடுச்சு. So once again the rat is feeling bad. என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? rat ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணுது. Okay, now let us see the scene 3, what the rat is going to do. Well, the rat is find out the other friend or not. We have to see in the scene 3. Let us move to the scene 3. The characters are rat and monkeys. Rat, R-A-T, rat, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Rat and monkey. Let us show the flashcard of monkeys. Now here the monkeys are swinging on the trees. Now the monkeys are swinging on the trees. Now the monkeys are swinging on the trees. எல்லாம் பார்த்தியா monkeys என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? Swing பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. Swing means, what is mean by swing? Yes, you are all right. Swing means தொங்குறது, தாவறது, விளையாடுறது. ஊஞ்சல்ல ஆடும்போது கூட நம்ம என்ன சொல்வோம்? ஸ்விங்கிங், காற்றுல பறந்து பறந்து விளையாடுறது, தொங்குறது. ஸோ monkeys are swinging on the trees. monkeys எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? மரத்தில் தொங்கி தொங்கி விளையாண்டுட்டு இருக்கு. Let us see the conversation between the monkey and the rat. Let us see the conversation. The rat is going to meet the monkey. Hello friend monkey. Yes rat. Oh, may I join you to swing? No rat, you are little. You are not able to swing on the tree. Let us find the other partner. Now the rat is rejected by monkeys. Monkeys என்ன பண்ணிடுச்சு, உன்னால ஸ்விங் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரெஃப்யூஸ் பண்ணிடுச்சு. ஏன் அதால் ஸ்விங் பண்ண முடியாது? ஏன்னா மங்கீஸ் எல்லாம் மரத்தில் தாவும், ஆனால் ரேட்டால் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, தாவ முடியாது இல்லையா? ஸோ தட் த monkey refused the rat friendship. Okay, let us see the scene 4. What the rat is going to do and find out the friend or not. We have to move to the scene 4 only. We have no. Scene 4 characters. Rat, frog. Rat, R-A-T rat, F-R-O-G frog. R-A-T rat, F-R-O-G frog. Let us see the conversation between the frog and rat. Now see the flashcard. The frogs are playing hopscotch. Do you know hopscotch? What is mean by hopscotch? Yes. Hopscotch na ennama nondi vilayadradhu solvaangala. That is mean by hopscotch. Now let us see the conversation between the rat and the frogs. Hello frogs, may I hop with you? No, no rat, no way. Because there is the rules in the game, then only two of them have to play in the game. I have already the partner to play. You find other partner. I'm sorry rat. Now I have to find the partner. Once again the rat is feeling. Why? ஏன் rat ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணுது? ஏன்னா ஃப்ராகும் அதோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்பை வேண்டான்னு சொல்லிடுச்சுல. ஸோ தட் the rat is feeling so sad. Now Entuli the rat is telling, Entuli the rat is telling, I am going to play alone. என்ன பண்ண போதா, நான் தனியாகவே விளையாண்டுக்கிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுது. Let us see what the rat is going to do. Now see, the rat is build the sandcastle. The rat is playing alone. Now see, the rat is build the sandcastle. The rat is playing alone. அது என்ன பண்ணுது, தனியாக விளையாடுது. Now the rabbit is watching the sandcastle. Rabbit என்ன பண்ணிடுச்சு, அது sandcastle build பண்ணுறத பார்த்துருச்சு. Then the rabbit calls other animals. Hey, come let us play. வாங்க எல்லாரும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து rat கூட விளையாடலான்னு கூப்பிடுது. Then all the other animals are together, joined together with rat to build sandcastle. எல்லாரும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து sandcastle build பண்ணி rat கூட விளையாடலான்னு முடிவு எடுத்துட்டாங்க. Let us see the sandcastle. Okay, let us see the rat is build sandcastle. What is mean by sandcastle மா? நம்ம பீச்சுக்கெலாம் போனால் மணல் வீடு கட்டி விளையாடுவோம்ல, that is mean by sandcastle. பாத்தியா rat எவ்வளோ அழகாக sandcastle build பண்ணியிருக்கு. So that every animals joins together, isn't it? எல்லாரும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்துட்டாங்க. What is the moral of the story children? What is the moral of the story? Yes, what is the moral of the story? Have you all find out the moral of the story? Yes, playing together is always fun. What is the moral of the story? Playing together is always fun. எல்லாரோடையும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து வாழ்ந்தா எப்படி இருக்கும்? எல்லாரோடையும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து விளையாண்டா எப்படி இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக இருக்கும், isn't it? தனியாக விளையாண்டா சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குமா? No, isn't it? So playing together is always fun. எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோடையும் ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், விளையாடணும். Okay, moral of the story is playing together is always fun. Okay, have you all listened the stories carefully? Yes, you all listen, Yes. Now tell me the title of the story. Yes, you are all right. You are all very smart children. When the rabbit is telling the title of the story, isn't it? Yes. Now I am going to write the title of the story. Come, let us play. Come, let us play. That is the title of the story. Come, let us play. Okay, now spell the letter come. C-O-M-E. Come. Once again. C-O-M-E. Come. Let. L-E-T. Let. Let. L-E-T. Let. Us. U-S-S. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Now come. Come means what? வாருங்கள் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். எல்லாரும் வாருங்கள். Let us. நாம எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து. Us. நாம. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. விளையாடலாம். எல்லாரும் ஒன்று கூடி விளையாடலாம். That is the meaning of come let us play. Now you all listen the story, isn't it? Now I am going to ask the question from the story. You have to answer the questions. Let us see who are all answering the questions. Now I am going to teach you the question and answers. I am going to ask the question, you have to answer. Now first question, who has a bat? Who? W-H-O. Who? S. H-A-S-S. A. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. What is the meaning of the question? யார்கிட்ட பேட் இருந்ததுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. யார் பேட் வச்சுருந்தா? Where's a bat? Yes, you all know. Dogs has a bat. Now the answer is dog. Dog has a bat. Now spell the word dog. D-O-G. Dog. Once again. D-O-G. Dog. S. H-A-S-S. A. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Dog has a bat. Dog has a bat. Dog da கையில என்ன வச்சிருந்தது? Bat வச்சிருந்தது. Why? Because dogs are playing cricket. I am going to show the flashcard of dog. Here see the flashcard. Dogs are playing cricket. The dogs only having the bat in his hand. Now we move to the second question. Who flies a kite? Once again I am repeating the question. Who flies a kite? Who? W-H-O. Who? W-H-O. Who? Flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. A. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Flies means விடுறது. Kite means பட்டம். அதாவது பட்டம் விடுறதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? Let us say the answer. Who flies a kite? Yes, you are all very smart children. Your answer is right. Now the rabbit flies a kite. Rabbit flies a kite. Let us spell the spelling. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Once again I am repeating the spelling of rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Let us join with me and repeat the spelling. Flies. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. Let us repeat the spelling, children. F-L-I-E-S. Flies. A. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Once again. K-I-T-E. Kite. Now I am going to show the flashcard of rabbit. Now I am going to show you the flashcard of rabbit flies kite. எல்லாரும் பாத்தியா? rabbit என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு? கைட்டை பட்டம் விட்டுட்டு இருக்கு. கைட்டை fly பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. Have you all seen? Yes. Now the second question answer is rabbits are flying a kite. Now we move to the third question. Who built the sandcastle? Who? W-H-O. Who? Once again I am repeating the question. Who? W-H-O. Who? Builds. B-U-I-L-D-S. Builds. Once again I am repeating the question. B-U-I-L-D-S. B-I-L-D-S, bills. Sandcastle, S-A-N-D, sand. Castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, sandcastle. What is mean by sandcastle, children? Yes, you are all right. நம்மலாம் பீச்சுக்கு போனா மணல் வீடு கட்டி விளையாடுவோம்ல, that is mean by sandcastle. மணல் வீடு தான் sandcastle. Okay, now I am going to teach the answer. Who built a sandcastle? Do you all know the answer? Who built the sandcastle? Yes, the hero of the story. Who is the hero of the story? Yes, the rat is the hero of the story. So, the rat built the sandcastle. Let us spell the letter rat. R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Build, B-U-I-L-D-S, builds. Sandcastle, S-A-N-D, sand. Castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, sandcastle. Rat built a sandcastle. Now you are all understood the question and answers, children. Now I am going to show you the flashcard of sandcastle. See you all. This is the sandcastle. The rat is building the sandcastle. Have you all seen the sandcastle picture? Now you all see the sandcastle picture. The rat is built the sandcastle. Now children, I am going to teach you the book exercise. All of you take your book. All of you take your term book. Okay. Take the page number 102. Have you all take the book? Have you all having your book in your hand? Have you all having your book in your hand? Yes, you are all very good children. It is the term 1 book, isn't it? You all having, Yes, very good. Take the book page number 102. Okay, now I am going to teach the book exercise. Take the book page number 102. Now we move to the circle the correct word. Now we move to the circle the correct word. Now spell the circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. What is mean by circle? Round போடுறது. என்ன பண்றது? Round போடுறது. That is mean by circle. The, T-H-E, the, correct. C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct. Word, W-O-R-D, word. Now we are going to find out the correct answer of the picture. Now what picture is this? Have you all know what picture is this? Yes, this is a ball picture. What is this? This is a ball picture. Now we have to find out the spelling of the ball. K-I-T-E, kite, or B-A-L-L, ball. What is the spelling of ball? Yes, you are all right. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball. That is the correct answer. Now I am going to round the answer because the circle only asking in the question. Now let us move to the second picture. What picture is this? You all play cricket, Yes. You are all having bat in your home, isn't it? Especially the boys having cricket. They only love the cricket, isn't it? Yes. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Or B-A-L-L. Ball. Now what is the spelling of bat? Let's find out what is the spelling of bat. Yes, you are all right. Very good. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Now I am going to round the correct spelling of bat. B-A-T, bat. Now let us, I am going to move the other picture, kite. Yes, you all love kite, isn't it? We all love flies kite, isn't it? Yes. Now I am going to find out the picture of kite. K-I-T-E, kite, or S-W-I-N-G. Swing. What is the correct spelling of kite? Have you all know spelling of kite? Yes, you are all very smart, isn't it? You are all very studied children, isn't it? Yes. Now you are telling the correct answer of kite. K-I-T, kite is the correct spelling of kite spelling. Now I am circle the letter of kite. Okay children, now book X is also over. Have you all loved this story? Yes, you all love the story, huh? Yes, I hope you are all understood the stories and love the stories. Now I am going to give one activity. What activity means? You have to write the characters of the story in your book and write the equipments what the animals are having in the game. You have to write the equipments of the game. That is your duty. Okay. Okay children. Thank you. Let us see in the other video.